So hello everybody, welcome to day 2 of hiking adventures. We are on, what was it, Champney Mountain, and there's a little waterfall, well not really little, but don't mind us huffing and puffing a little bit. We are a little out of shape and old.
I'm getting over being sick.
So check this out though, everybody.
This is real mountain hiking.
Well, halfway.
No, this is real mountain hiking.
We had to pay $5 to get in here, unfortunately. So they got our spare change, literally change.
Money for me.
Yeah, that's what she said. I said, well, at least we're honest. She goes, yeah, really. So, I don't think they accept plastic.
Ooh, hiking stick would have been a good idea.
So that was a group of people that just walked by. Or one person, I should say.
Not a bad thing. Doesn't foot traffic. Just means if we get lost, there's other people out here.
Yeah. Gina's always worried about getting lost. Just Gina, not me.
Well, it's a little different than back home. If you got lost back home, you can pretty much walk and find a road. Not so much here.
Need a Wickershire project out here to move this thing. Come on, buddy. I'm already sweating. You were worried about a sweatshirt for me. Alright, so it's really not a whole lot to look at here right now. We'll get back to you when we get to, you know, the scenery. Well, you can see we are really going uphill here.
That just means it'll be easy to walk back.
That's right. The descent is always much easier than the ascent. So, we'll get back to you. And, yeah. So we're back already. That was quick. It's only like 10 minutes that we left you guys there. This is a little stream. I don't know. Why don't we get up to the waterfall and then assess that? The waterfall's our halfway point. Apparently we're kind of in shape because the lady in the front told us it's going to take us 3 hours and we've been here 45 minutes and we're halfway through it. And I think what she meant was 3 hours to get up to the summit. Who knows, honestly. I have a map, but they have these trees marked off. Make it very simple even for the densest of people.
Like me.
Wifey said like her. Me, on the other hand, I actually surprised the woman. And I said, is there a compass bearing on this map? She goes, wow, nobody's ever asked that. And no, there is no compass. So I had to sit there and figure it out. What way is north, south, east, west, etc. See this? This is part of the trail. Literally have to cross rivers. Well, you'd call that a stream. I got my hiking boots on today.
Old Timberland Road. Nice.
It is. Pretty cool. Yeah. This water is icicles. So there it is again, the yellow marker. Just to signify that we're on the right trail.
Don't worry, I got my coffee.
Don't worry, you got what?
My coffee.
Yeah, Gina's carrying the coffee. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and show you this. You see this monstrosity I have on me? It's 20 pounds of gear. She has her coffee.
There's a bag.
And we're representing today. That's right, guys and gals. We're representing. Figured we'd take you guys along for the ride, at least in spirit. Yeah, some of them are pretty slick. A little bit muddy.
Oh, that's the animal prints.
Yeah?
Look at them, a tracker.
Gina's trying to be a tracker. She's like, crikey, look here. Here we have
Hopefully dog prints.
the infamous dog print. Oh, I hear a little more water over yonder. There's our marker. We are on track. So I hope you guys aren't bored of us yet. With probably what's going to end up being a mini series. Oh, this is where wifey's gonna yell at me. I'm going off trail. I'm hoping you guys can hear that. You should be able to. Well, it looks like we're crossing the stream again.
Oh, you definitely want you to do exercise.
Yep, we are crossing the stream again.
One-handed with coffee.
Yeah. One-handed with equipment. And video taping. These rocks look a little wet. I'll go ahead and let wifey go. She's a little slow.
Well, this is a hill. And a wet hill.
Alright everyone, when we get to a little bit more scenery, we'll go ahead and get back to you. So we finally came up to this cool part up here. And we'll be heading up there where you see a waterfall. So we've been hiking for like another half hour, going pretty much straight uphill. There's wifey.
Very warm.
Very warm, very sweaty.
We've had a lot of people ask us about the vineyard pics.
Yeah. Complimenting the shirts, girls. They love it.
And telling them to check you out.
Yep. Had a father and daughter saying that they are definitely going to check you girls' YouTube channel out.
Oh. Looks like a good spot to pick it up.
Oh my goodness, there's so many waterfalls around here.
Nice.
Oh, take that huge backpack off. Look at the ones up there, dear. Babe.
Yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna take advantage of this, though. Maybe. Maybe not.
This is cool. Oh, I did the wrong way. Sorry, amateur hour. Now we'll go that way.
We needed this. We got people coming back.
And there's even more waterfalls up there. To the trees. Yeah, we're going to be heading up there as well. I am.
It's like AC right here.
Oh, I'm cooling right off. What's up?
It's straight across and up. Looks like a den.
It does kind of look like a den up there. It might be just a rock barely hanging on, but you know, that does look like a nice place to just camp out for the night.
Yeah, if it's not occupied.
Yeah, by the bears. The bears. Yeah, that'd be prime realty right there. Overlooking the river. I did get it on camera, yes. We are going to be heading up that way, everybody. Let me slip the backpack back on. Sorry for the view. I can feel it from here. Okay. Yeah, I can feel it through the sweat that's really cold on me now. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get going because look at this. Isn't this crazy? This is our path. This is actually a little bit more organized than what we have been walking. We'll be right back.